Do you agree with this particular sentence which says that you have a certain amount of intelligence, but there's nothing much that you can do to change it? Well, there is no right or wrong answer to this, but what you speak and what you say against this particular sentence will tell you something about your mindset according to psychology. This statement is a part of an assessment tool which tells you whether you have a growth mindset or whether you have a fixated mindset. That means बहुत rigid है भाई, कुछ नहीं होने वाला. So growth mindset and fixed mindset are very interesting to understand, because sometimes we say कि नहीं मेरे से नहीं होगा. So or sometimes we even say that okay, no, I will try my best to do and succeed in this particular area, and sometimes people do and they succeed, they become really successful. So what is the difference? Are they intelligent? Are they like working hard? What is exactly happening? See, every one of us has different things within us which we have never tried. So we have never explored ourselves also. That means we may be doing a certain work, we may be working in a company, we may be doing some category of you can say even creativity in our jobs, but maybe there are so many areas within us also that we haven't explored. Now sometimes we see in so many cases people are made to forcefully sing a song, and they sing and wow, I mean they're great at that, and then they realize, oh, I can even sing. There are people who may have never painted a picture in life, but once they start using the brush and they start exploring, they find, oh my god, I have an artist within me. So basically this fixated mindset of people who say no, intelligence mera itna hi hai, iske aage to main nahi jaane wala. So these type of people, what they have, the problem is that they are not ready to explore. The thing is not about intelligence or a certain skill set or certain you can say talent that you have. The thing is about whether you're ready to explore it or not explore it. Now of course, if you don't have a specific talent, you may work hard towards it also, you may not succeed in that. But if you don't have that growth mindset only, then you will never explore only, even if you have that talent hidden within you. So growth mindset specifically focuses on hidden talents. So, are these talents ready to be awakened by you, or you want to just bury them with you when you die? So, that's up to you. So, let's follow the growth mindset. Let's grow, let's explore, and become better people every day and skilled in our things, what we do, happy in the things, what we do. Right?